Alright, so mga kapwa kong manalayag, magandang class, dito naman tayo sa ating movie review. And actually, itong movie na to, na-release na siya sa sinihan way back. Pero, sa Netflix kasi, ongoing pa rin siya. And thankful ako sa Netflix ko siya napanood kasi kung sa sinihan ko siya napanood, I won't like it. Actually, marami na siyang bad reviews and I still choose to watch it kasi I really want to see gano'n siya kalala. And if it is not a Marvel film, if wala siyang it's just a standalone, I might want it or watch it, or marirecommend ko siya, magugustuhan ko siya if hindi siya Marvel film or hindi siya connected sa comics or wala siyang reference na pinanggalingan. Though may mga adaptation movies or adaptation stories na talaga masasabi ko na po pagod ako pag-akyat. So, may mga stories o mga movies na adaptation and medyo iniba nila. And that's understandable kasi people would try to, or directors and yung mga screenwriters would try to make it as original in a sense pa rin kahit na faithful sa resource material. But in this one, hindi talaga siya faithful sa resource material, and I don't know what they do. But parang comics lang yan eh. Yung may mga spin-off, may mga multiverse and so on and so forth. So, yeah. And then the movie I am talking about and the movie I'm reviewing now is actually na, alam ko na kita nyo sa title ng video na ito, it is Madame Web. And for me, yeah, it's kung bibigyan ko siya ng score over 10, I may give it a 4 or 5. But it's watchable. Hindi pa naman siya yung sobrang cringe to the point na hindi ko siya papanoorin na tatapusin. And those kind of movies, hindi ko na ginagawa na review. But this one, yeah, it's for me, for me. I know not everyone will agree with me, and I know there's a lot of people who would disagree with me. But for me, it's watchable. It's fine. But I don't recommend it na panoorin nyo sa sinihan, or if you can watch it on Netflix, I don't recommend it to the point na you might tell me, oh no, ubos oras ko sa panood. Yeah, I would agree. But somehow, in a sense, it's kind of decent. It's not that bad. If wala kang alam sa comics, wala kang alam sa Marvel, you're just simply watching it, you don't connect it to anything else, yeah, it's not that bad. But connecting it, yung isang mga ilan sa mga nagustuhan ko is nga, andun yung isang character na importante sa buhay ng isang character sa comics, and they try to make their own piece of it. Kasi sa comics, si Madame Web, iba yung introduction niya. It's not this way. So, parang yung ginawa lang nila sa Venom na medyo kakaiba. It's somehow like that. So, you won't really like it. Yun lang masasabi ko. If you are focused dun sa material, if you are focused dun sa adaptation, you're focused dun sa comics, you're focused sa Marvel, you won't like it. I agree. But if you see it as if it is a standalone, you won't incorporate it with the Marvel. Doon mahirap kasi nakakatawa kasi they're using a famous tagline from a comic character that it is associated with, and it is used in the film many times in a different way, or jumbled letters, jumbled phrases. And it's good to see, sadly, I mean, yung mga actors dito, they're good actors and I've known some sa mga ibang movies, but it's just sad na yun nga lang, talagang ganun talaga eh. There will be movies you will create that people would love, there will be movies that you create that people won't love. There will be movies you create that would hit. May mga movies din naman na create mong hindi mag-hit. So, hit or miss. So, yun lang. So, I'll try to make it quick. Hindi tayo abot ng 5 minutes, pero yun lang. It's decent. But it's not something I would recommend agad-agad na mapanood. Kasi, yun lang. So, sa susunod ulit, I'll try to make yung journey. Saka yung isa pa, forget the title, pero yun lang. Take care, and as always, gonna go and gonna go like that.